headed by Mayor Farouk U. Aziz. Okay, from Municipality of Balui and Magsaysay, Lanao del Norte, headed by Honorable Mayor Hanifa P. Ali and Honorable Mayor Harold D. Omar Sr. For their active support and implementation of forest land use plan through adoption. Okay, let's proceed to Mambahaw National High School, headed by Secondary School Principal 1, Nimpa B. Yami, in recognition of its active participation in environmental activities with DNR Penrose Committee.
Thank you, Mambahaw National High School. Barangay Council of Lumbing, Mambahaw, Cavite, headed by Punong Barangay Honorable Grover C. Dablo for their contributions to environmental protection.
Okay, thank you, sir. Same flag of appreciation is given to PGMP, Mambahaw District J, by Jail Inspector Reed C. Instenso, Officer in Charge, for their contribution to environmental protection.
Thank you, Cavite Maritime PGMP. Another plaque of appreciation for Cavite Maritime Police Station, headed by Station Chief Police Captain Roger G. Del Rosario, for their support to the programs and projects of DENR.
Same plaque of recognition is given to the Camigan Philippine Coast Guard Station, Station Commander, Coast Guard in St. J.R. Bryant L. Pinones.
Thank you, Cavite Coast Guard. Next is for Cavite Police Provincial Office, headed by Police Colonel Benbo J. Humalan, the Provincial Director.
Another plaque of appreciation is given to People's Organization na